Hey YouTube, I'm Kyle.
And I'm Nina.
And this is The Creative Cottage. Alright, so we wanted to do these videos because we have tons and tons of projects to do around this house. This house hasn't been occupied for around like 3 years, so tons and tons of landscaping to do, tons of rusty things to repair
The
and
plants
fix.
have overgrown the whole backyard.
Oh yeah, you should see, I'll show you in the back, there's a big a rose bush that overtook like most of the backyard.
Even the stairs, you couldn't climb up the deck, it was so overrun.
Yeah, actually when the first time we came to visit, or the second time, Nina bought a pair of clippers just so we can walk up the stairs because there's rose bushes that climbed it. But yeah, so we're super excited to do these videos.
Yeah, to work on all these projects, and we just wanted to film this so we can show our family and friends what we're up to and let them be informed.
Yeah, so welcome to our channel. Here we'll give you just a quick thing of how this is still brand new. There's still trash on the side of the road there. But yes, so this is how we're gonna start it. Stay tuned, everyone. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, this is me testing a video. Me testing how to flip, if it actually looks good. As I can see in the mirror here. Boom. Here we got Fenny. Got Nina and Apollo working in the background. Alright everyone, so we were doing a first voiceover. We were doing a tour of our kitchen here. We just wanted to go a nice sunny day that we're showing outside. Fenny's enjoying the deck. You can see how there's a big hole there in our deck where the stairs fell. But anyways, there's our garden with the tons and tons of rose bushes. Let's go back inside through the kitchen here. Lots of stuff all over the place, missing some stove. Nina's working here. Now we're going to show you the bathroom. Not too bad of a bathroom, pretty nice and big. There I am. Hello? Gotta love some shots of the outdoors, some more trees. A nice double person bath with our pothos we brought, soon to be moved. Let's go. Now we're going to show the office. Tons of our stuff from moving. There's a desk that might be placed there, a nice closet, beautiful window, view of our car and driveway. There's Apollo. Apollo's a good boy. Apollo's a good boy. Do you want to come see the basement with me? We're doing a tour. Make the 3D thing look even better. Yeah, definitely. Oh, they're playing downstairs. Woo! First time. Guys, it's a whole house down here. A whole nother floor. Look at this, Apollo. What are we gonna do down here? What are we gonna do? Alright, our ideas for our first. These are our first ideas. Actually, Nina made probably like 10 so far. What we're gonna do is basically there is a bedroom right above here. Oh, that light just flickered. And it just went out. Oh. Nina, I think there's a ghost down here. The light just like flickered, turned off, and then turned back on. Anyways, what we think we're gonna do for you're having fun. We used to live in a condo, so this is like awesome. Anyways, so what we're gonna do down here is we're gonna build a bedroom. Maybe I'll show some designs from Nina over here. Just want to give you an idea of what this looks like out here. Alright, they got this cool map, which honestly I'm not gonna lie, I like pretty much. Definitely into space. Alright, kind of thing. It's just the side of the house. Like maybe one day that we built an extension and a garage out here, but who knows? Oh, this heating is on. That I'm paying for. Oh my goodness. let me just go turn the heating. All right, so I don't know when I said this, but it might be a living room here. Nina's easels are here down here, which she probably won't want to paint down here because it is a basement after all. You can hear, see still some stuff we gotta clean out outside. And the shed, so this stuff's gotta move there before tomorrow, before it rains. There's the stairs that I took down before earlier. Dog's still playing, which is nice. Let's just turn it down just a bit. 5 degrees, I guess. Like, how cold is it gonna get? I got the fan going on down here because it was a bit. Let me leave it. Got to put a cover on the sump pump. But let me check out this cold storage room, which I'll be honest, left the light on. It's not that cold. It's actually warmer than in the room I just came from. So I don't know. I have to take this insulation down because it's not up to code. And it's very echoey in here. But the goal is to make like a fermentation station down here. I mean, maybe not ferment because I need it to be a little bit warmer. For example, some sauerkraut that I make. But expect a video on sauerkraut coming up soon. Here is a electrical chronicle, kind of boring water heater. Let me just close this. Here's Apollo. We've been running up and down the stairs this whole time. Good stuff, good stuff. We got this fridge, which is, actually don't know if it's a fridge or a freezer yet. We'll have to look that up. Doesn't feel that cold, I'll be honest, but maybe it is cold down here already, so who knows. Probably ready to go upstairs. All right, buddy. Let's just close her up. Leave it open. Don't like closed doors, do we, Apollo? Do we, my little baby? All right, since it was a sunny day, we started to clean out our front yard. As we'll explain in another video, this house has been abandoned for about 3 or 4 years that we were told from neighbors. So here we are is cleaning up some of this tree and making, just cutting off the branches that hit my head so that I can clearly walk around. Also, there's some nice flowers at the bottom there that we'll see clean up at one point. Those cedar bushes in the back will be another video that we'll be removing because they're too tangled. So Nina's come back here with the rake, and actually the point of this was that we got some flowers, some trilliums that we wanted to plant around this tree because they do well amongst trees. So really what we're doing is clearing up the space around the tree and the leaves so I can start digging. There's the trillium bag I just got out, and I started digging here. I found out later that apparently trilliums take about 9 years to flower, so this will be a long process. But anyway, so I think I put around like two kind of close to each other, and then I did 8 around the tree, so it should be nice in the future. All right, now I got the hose out, watering the plants so they get some they put into the ground nice and fresh, so they have a good chance of growing.
Recording.
First fire, April 28th, 2024.
Looks great. Took a while to get going, but look how pretty it is. Got the stars and moon. We found this little fireplace thing in Vaudreuil when they had the bulk item pickup, so it was free. It's so pretty, just our style. We love the stars and the moon. That's how Fenrir and Apollo got their names. What do you think, Kyle?
I think it's great. Finally started going crazy now because we had so much stuff in there trying to get it to go.
Burn, baby, burn!